Tired of random stock picks? Here is exactly how I am selecting the swing trades based on the sector comparison. We'll show you how you apply this on TradingView platform. Then we will filter based on that information. Step number one, you have to create a list like this where all the indices are there. Now, how to do that? Let me tell you. Now, if you cannot do this, definitely write it somewhere maybe. How do I add the rest of them? So just click on the plus symbol, go to indices, you click on CNX and you click on go to all sources and click India here. I have only the Indian indices. So let's see which ones I missed here. For example, FMCG I missed, auto added, finance added, pharma. Once all the indices are added, it will look something like this. When you click on Nifty, what will happen? It will show you the chart of Nifty right here. Okay. So click on the line chart first of all. Go to the CNX auto and you will find that this particular drop down box is coming out. Now in this drop down box there is written add CNX auto to compare. Now the moment you click it, CNX auto is now in comparison with Nifty. Go on CNX IT and do that. CNX FMCG, add to compare, and just like that you are adding all of them to the comparison. Now I'm not adding every single chart, but I'm adding some of them so that you guys can see which ones are there. You scroll it down, you will see a lot of charts are not in the scale, are not on your chart. So what to do in order to solve this situation? Click this three symbols, more, go to the pin to scale option, and right now it is pinned to right scale. You just need to change it to no scale full screen. The moment you do that, all the indices are right in front of you. You can add all of them. Now you guys have to find out the origin. Origin is exactly like a perfect trade entry for a trade setup. Just like that, you need to identify a origin for the comparison of the sector rotation, right? Origin means that this is the starting point from where I am calculating everything. Okay, COVID, this was the COVID fall. So if you want to keep the COVID as your origin, so just take this and till the COVID's bottom. Okay, so this is the sector comparison that we are doing till that point. Has outperformed. So Nifty has outperformed. You guys can see recent top created by the market, and I want to create. I want to see which sector is performing best right now. So I will keep that as my origin. Okay, and now let's see which one is performing the best. So click on the chart which is at the top, and you guys can see CNX services is at the top. At the second we have Nifty, and then we have auto. So we have the Nifty 50 stocks, we have CNX auto, we have Nifty services. So these are the three sectors which are right now at the top when in my comparison list. Now I have not added all of them, so you guys can just add all of them and you can find which one is at the top right now as per the origin. You got the piece of information that the services one is doing good, right? First of all, you will click on this TradingView screener, click on the exchange and click on NSE. Now if you do not do that, you have 5,000 stocks, so a lot of them are there. Just click on the NSE so that you short that to 2,600 so that there is no duplicate stock, high volume stocks are there. That's it. Now go to index. When you go to index, you just search that which of them was performing the best. Okay, as per this comparison that we did, the services sector was doing pretty good. Okay, even in the fall, the recent when the war was happening and everything, the news was coming in that part also, this was outperforming the others, right, as per our origin. So right here, if you go to CNX services, I'm going to click on that now. Okay, so the moment you click on it, you will see that there are 30 stocks right in front of you. I click on move overlay to split view. Now guys, we will talk about the strategy part. Now you might be having a weekly time frame, monthly time frame, daily time frame strategy, price action wise, indicator wise, RSI, William indicator, any indicator that you're using out there. Momentum strategy, support based strategies, horizontal breakout, base breakout, anything that you're using. Okay, it is one of the good methods to cut out the noise and focus on few stocks whose sector is right now performing, and then you apply your strategy. For example, let's say that this sector might be doing good in 2023 at this area, right? So I have the service sector in 2023, it gave a counter trend line breakout. I might be trading it at this area, right? Now let's go to the second one. Maybe I trade horizontal breakouts. Again, the 2023 time is there, the stock is giving again the same kind of breakouts right here on the weekly time frame. Then maybe I am trading the next one, and then again you guys can see a smooth momentum. Maybe I'm not a breakout trader, I'm a support trader, and in that same time of 2023 you guys can see the stock is making a solid trend line on a weekly time frame. This is what I'm telling you guys. So different set of traders will get different set of stocks, but how to see which sector is performing good? First, you got that. The second piece of information is to apply that on the trading view screener, and then you get a set of stocks. On that set of stocks, you apply your strategy. So this is a set method. Okay, you can do, you can repeat this method as many times as you can, and this is one of the best ways to cut noise, guys. If you're seeing 100, 200, 300 stocks, you're not able to understand which one to see, and you are having FOMO, this method will cut out FOMO. This method will give you edge. It will show you the path, but definitely the strategy should be yours. It should be back tested, front tested. And make sure you like this video, make sure you share this video with all those people who are really interested in trading. Subscribe to this channel, and if you have any doubts, put it in the comment section, where you will find my Telegram link also. You can directly contact me on my Telegram. See you in the next one. Till then, keep following the rules and become a profitable trader.